Hi, welcome to Taurus channel. This is Kimi Xiao from Jiangxi Taurus Technology Company. Some fans told us they want to visit our factory. So today I will take you to take a look at our factory. Here we go. Now we are in the Taurus factory. The total area is 5,000 square meters. Okay, the first floor is the workshop. Let's go. There are 15 semi-automatic equipment. And look over there, our technician is debugging the machine. Hey, fast response. We prepared enough stocks. Now let's go to the second floor to see our daily stock. These are our daily inventory, and for most of the customers, we can deliver within 24 hours. These goods will be sent out today, and our workers are preparing for delivery. That's all for today's video. If you like us, welcome to follow us and give us a like. See you next time. Goodbye.